money, I'm getting money, I'm getting money.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Up Next, man. You know, I'm coming back. I'm here to present one of the best opportunities that you're gonna have in 2020 to invest in and to make a living off of it. You get what I'm saying? I've been in this investing thing and I'm already making profit. I'm already making profit while I'm learning. You get what I'm saying? What I'm talking about is Forex. Now, if you don't know what Forex is, I'm gonna give you like Forex in a nutshell. All it is trading currency. Okay, you look at a chart, you be like, okay, is it gonna buy or is it gonna sell? Right? That's all that is, right? But look, peep, it's more in depth to that. That's why I have a team. That's why I'm in a team, okay? I feel like I'm in the best team ever. People, oh, I'm market live, a scam, I'm market this and that and third, it's a scam. Look, bro, come a little closer. Their experience don't determine your experience. Let's say if I go to college, right? Boom, I go into college. I'm like, man, college sucks. Nah, that's because you didn't take advantage of that college. You didn't go around and network with people. You didn't go around say, hey, I do a YouTube channel, go subscribe. You didn't do your job. I'm giving y'all the opportunity to join the best team in our market love. And if it wasn't the best team, I wouldn't put my money into it. I wouldn't even join. I wouldn't even be telling y'all to join. Oh, 2020, bro, we all about the bag, bro. We all about getting money. We all about, you know what I'm saying? And we don't have $10,000 to put in the stock and see a return in 7 years. We're not trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? This opportunity is for people who don't have a lot of money, who just trying to invest and live off their investment, live off this single trading income. That's what this opportunity is for. If you're not trying to get money, if you're looking for a dread video, if you're looking for anything, man, click off the video. If you're not trying to get money, click off the video. All right, so the people that stayed on this video, okay, so let me go ahead and bring y'all through the process. All right, so look, Forex only for y'all. I don't even think I'm supposed to be doing this, but look, all right, so look, peep, right? So this is all what Forex is, man. This is all what Forex is. When people trade Forex, man, all they doing is trading currency. All right, so you're saying, okay, is the market going to go up or is it going to go down at this moment? All you doing is you clicking buy or you clicking sell. That's the only thing that you are doing now. People are making a killing from this, bro. People are making so much money from this. I've been doing this for only a week. You get what I'm saying? I invested in myself. I was presented this opportunity by Ashley, which is my mentor, which is now my mentor, and I invested in myself, so I'm just presenting it to y'all to invest in yourselves. You feel me? So, hey, man, how much profit you get, all that is determined on y'all. Now, look, with this Forex junk now, of course, I could have went out and I could have learned it on my own. I could have been studying all the candlesticks, all the patterns. I could have learned it on my own, but why do that when I can join a team for $235? Make that $235 back in a couple more weeks just by trading. You know what I'm saying? Just by the tap of the phone. Once I said that to myself, I'm like, yo, I gotta jump at this opportunity, because once I join the team, I'm going to make it right back. Like, literally, you are surrounding yourself by money signs. You are surrounding yourself by money signals. I mean, the chats. All you gotta do is copy and paste. If you can't copy and paste, this ain't for you. And you making money while you're learning. Then once you learn how to do stuff, you're gonna be making money on your own. But while you're learning, you're gonna make your $235 right back. But yeah, man, 2020, man, it's time to get money. It's time to invest in ourselves, bro. In 1 month, instead of you buying a pair of Jordans, you invested your $235 into Forex, into joining the team. Right? You make the $235 back. Now you have the $235 and you have the weapon to make multiples of the $235. Y'all get what I'm saying? If you don't get what I'm saying, bro, you gotta click off the video right now, just because of the simple fact you don't understand how the money works. You feel me? We ain't talking about no stocks, which you gotta put what, $7,000 in just to see a return in 7 years. Man, we're not talking about that. We're not talking about real estate. What, you gotta throw up $100,000? We're not talking about that, man. We're talking about Forex, man. You can literally put $20 in the account, know how to trade, and make 1,000. You feel me? Just off of you learning the skill. When you join my team, right? I'm gonna have my mentors helping you out, my mentors helping you out. You get what I'm saying? So it's all about you when you join the team, bro. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you don't know what's going on, you can always hit up me. My DMs are always open for y'all just to hit up. Hey man, look, I don't understand how to do this trade. I don't understand what's going on. hit up me with 1,000 questions. You get what I'm saying? If y'all are interested into this, y'all trying to know more about Forex, y'all trying to get money, y'all not trying to play this year. You get what I'm saying? Y'all trying to invest in yourself, y'all tired of working y'all 9 to 5, you actually trying to get money. Because yeah, you can get money by working a 9 to 5, but that's gonna take 40% of your taxes. We're not talking about that. Like I just told y'all, we talking about investing. We talking about getting real money. You feel what I'm saying? So if y'all are interested in that, make sure you hit my DMs. Comment in the comment section how y'all feel down below. Like I said, y'all could have took the route, y'all could have took out the route that I took at first, which was trading on my own. You know what I'm saying? Trying to learn the candlestick. Man, look, everybody got time for that, bro. You feel me? I just paid him a little $235 fee, making a little money back, make the little $235 back, and then learn more ways on how to make it. You feel me? So if y'all trying to do that, let me know, hit me up. Also, the team supplies live chats, you feel me, live signals, so you can earn while you learn. You feel me? So that's how y'all gonna make y'all money back, just right there. Gonna supply a course. Yeah, man, if y'all interested, comment down below how y'all feel. Hit my DMs up right now. They're open. Instagram link will be in the description, also in the comment section. Get with me, man. Get with me. Let's start making money 2020, bro. Let's get it. Let's go.